Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today lecture related to the very proper subject and higher field of study at BS level uh, with the special reference of research and scientific approach. Social linguistic means that branch of sociology through which we see the evolution, starting development of any kind of language with respect to the respective people in any time. Mean social mean attached to the life, related to the life, and linguistic mean that branch of sociology, that branch of social sciences through which we explore, we dignify and we magnify any kind of language with respect of people influence and interaction of the people with the language, and the interaction of interaction and influence and even variation of the people with the language. So social linguistic is very significant and important subject in the field of social sciences. We see any time of age with respect to human evolution, human history, and human development. This study help us very significantly and very obviously about all the parameters, about all the circumstances with respect to the any kind of language, even in ancient time, present time, and help for the futuristic look of any language, grammatically, vocabulary, and scientifically. So social linguistic is very proper subject, and in this set, the influence, variation, and interaction of the people with the language, and people interaction and influence on the language. For example, when we see the Urdu language in Indian subcontinent, so it is very obvious this sort of language promoted and developed through the foreigner Muslim tribes who migrated to India, like Persians, population, Arabic people, even Pakhtuns from the Afghanistan, and the Hindi language of local India. All these sort of languages, the people interacted into each other. They sort out their marriages and influence in the population, and and with the passage of time this Urdu language become developed. So the linguistic type of study of Urdu is attached to the mid of 18th century, and this is the prominent language of Indian Muslims, and hundreds of poets, scholars, researchers become attached to the Urdu language. So the scientific study of Urdu language with respect to Indian subcontinent, this sort of Urdu study with respect to sociology is called the social linguistic of Urdu literature and language in India. Thank you very much.